Welcome to the fundamental guide on how to use law tables. Law tables, also known as law comparisons, is a solution that enables you to research the full text of privacy laws from around the globe. It also allows you to compare up to 5 laws at once. To navigate to the Law Tables section from the TrustArc landing page, click on the icon shown in the upper left-hand corner. This will open the left-hand navigation window. Click on Nymity Knowledge. Select Law Tables. This will redirect you to the Law Tables page. On the left-hand side, you will find a list of countries. Once you have made a location selection, the map updates and the rule source section becomes available for you. Choose from the available rule sources in the drop-down menu. The number displayed on the side indicates the total number of provisions available for that rule source. Upon selecting a rule source, simply scroll down to gain access to the various sections. Additionally, it offers the functionality to download the document in PDF, Word, or Excel format for your convenience. You can further refine your search by utilizing the filters available on the right-hand side. All of the content is tagged to these various filter categories. It is an efficient and effective way to narrow the content you have to search. For instance, let's consider business activities. This helps reduce the number of search results. In the case of breach response, the number indicates the corresponding sections available. As you scroll down, the number of sections decreases from 301 to 9. Now here's the exciting part. You can compare laws from different jurisdictions side by side. You have the capability to compare up to 5 laws simultaneously. For the purpose of this guide, let's select 2 countries and compare 2 laws between them. You can download the report in your preferred format from the available options. For this guide, let's use PDF format as an example. The cover page will display the descriptions you have applied. As you scroll down, you will find the United Kingdom on the left-hand side and Germany on the right-hand side. This guide provided an overview of getting started with law tables. It covered the fundamentals, including selecting a country, choosing a law from the rule source, and comparing laws between jurisdictions.